this Monday is gonna be the first day of this new challenge that I've got for you. So every week I'm gonna post a video where I will show you what I eat in a day, weekly, and the kind of exercise that I'm doing to train myself to achieve my goal. I know exactly what my goal is. I wanna lose weight from 75 kilos that I was 2 months ago. I wanna become 65 kilograms like 6-7 years ago. And I put like time frame about a year. The reason why I put a year, I don't know, I have no idea how to lose weight. Maybe 10 kilograms I can lose in less months, or I need more time, more than a year. I have no idea. I don't have education about nutrition. I don't have education about training and workout and doing exercise. I will just improvise. I will try different exercises from different masters, different personal trainers. I will take advice, suggestion. I will just like try to educate myself on training and nutrition in between while I'm doing this challenge. So today I'm gonna start, and as you've seen from the picture, I had as breakfast my porridge. Porridge is the best way to start the day because it's not very heavy for your stomach and you can go straight away to train. Makes you feel full of energy, but not like in a way like where you're eating carbohydrates and sugars. Before to start every kind of challenge on the world, just let me tell you a little punctualization, little clarification. I am not so lucky to have a proper studio for myself. I have no my own flat. I'm sharing the flat with other people, and I've got very tiny room which I'm gonna show you now. This room is actually the smallest room I'm living in since I'm here in UK, because although I'm living in zone 1 in London, so Battersea near Westminster near Chelsea, it's the smallest room. It's very expensive, so I just realized that living in central London is not so great. And sometimes I'm gonna do exercise at home like today, and because I'm living with the landlady, she's lovely, but she speaks most of the time on the phone and she's very loud. If you hear some noise or some voices under my voice, just ignore that. It's okay. There's nothing I can do. And like me, I know there are so many other people around. They're not lucky, they don't have big rooms and they don't have a studio where they can train. So what we're gonna do? Are we gonna give up? Not at all. Before to start, guys, I'm gonna do just a quick tour of my room just to let you understand how I'm gonna do the exercises. So I've got this small space here near between my bed and my mirror, and then I've got this other little space here between the television and the bed, and maybe can be useful for some stretching. And this is my main area, as you can see, where I do exercises. I've got my lovely plants, this little garden behind my house, which I don't usually use because it's private. So if you're gonna help me following me and subscribing to my channel, maybe one day I'll be so lucky and I can have my own studio. And this is me, guys, just in front of the mirror. I'm sorry I don't have a big space where I can show you myself in fully, but I wanted to show you anyway myself, my shape, so you can realize how I am physically. So I'm gonna do a shot from the top to the bottom so you can see. So it's me, Jessica, 72 kilograms. With a pear shape, so my problem mainly is here and here. I started this diet 3 months ago, and from 75 I am 72 now. But don't be happy so easily, because as my personal trainer, my dietitian said to me a few months ago when I was followed by them, they said the first few kilograms are very easy to lose because it's mainly liquids, and after 2-3 kilos it's gonna be hard. And here is where my challenge is gonna start for real. Today for lunch I made tacos, chicken tacos. You got the recipe in one of my first videos I made. It's called Tacos Night, so you can find the recipe there if you're interested to do the tacos. For tonight instead, because I'm gonna work, I prepared my lunch box and I put some extra chicken left from this recipe. I put in a tortilla in a wrap, so I'm gonna eat this chicken wrap later tonight. Good morning. What a surprise waking up and find this weather. Bad as usual, so even today I can't go to run. Tuesday, and I woke up at 2:30 after my night shift. I had just 3 hours of sleep and I didn't want to lose time. I went straight away to do some workout and I did actually good. I did like 30 minutes cardio HIIT. I found some tutorial on YouTube, and then I did like 20 minutes of workout, legs, bum and abs. I put on my notebook the exercises. In the meantime, because I'm not particularly hungry, I just made a protein shake. It's a chocolate protein shake and I put inside a banana. I never tried that before, so I'm gonna tell you how does it taste. That's just amazing. Yay! Finally good weather in London. I don't know how long it's gonna be because it's a bit cloudy, but this morning we're gonna run. Morning. Sorry for my look, but I just woke up after another night shift. Today is Thursday and I'm ready for another day of my challenge. I have no idea what am I gonna do. It's past 2, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a kind of breakfast or lunchtime, so I'm just gonna open the fridge and see what I can make. I'll tell you first that I'm not very hungry because I'm a bit upset because the night itself has been good, but this morning early I just had a little argument with one of the senior staff, and when these things happening my mood is changing and that compromises my sleep, compromises my my eating, everything. So because the day has just started for me, I'm gonna do a kind of meditation for anger or meditation for just calm down my nerve, and then we'll see how it goes the rest of the day. Today I am pasta mood. As you can see from the picture before, I made some pasta, 70 grams pasta with some mushrooms, some prawns, some tomato sauce, which she was having overleft, so I'm not the kind of person who like to waste the food. I'm going out to my boyfriend now. I'm gonna stay with him like a couple of days because this weekend is going back in Italy. And I just bought some coconut water because I didn't drink too much this morning. Hi guys, it's very windy today. What's the matter? It's July! Can't believe it. Anyway, today is Friday. As you can see from the picture, this morning at lunchtime I just had another pasta day because I was to my boyfriend, which I was just saying goodbye because he's leaving tomorrow to go to Italy for a month. So I spent there yesterday and this morning, and then I went to work just a couple of hours part-time, a second job, and I'm going home now. I don't know what I'm gonna have tonight. Something good, definitely. This is gonna be my dinner tonight. Because I had the pasta day today, I had a good portion of pasta, around 70-80 grams. I think when you're having carbohydrates, one of your main meal, the second meal needs to be completely opposite, so you need something else. And in this kind of salad there is everything. There is a protein and vitamin from the salmon, tofu, and then vitamins with the cucumber, with the tomatoes, and some fat with the olive oil I put on the top, and the mozzarella cheese. Good morning guys, today is Saturday and it's finally the judgment day. As you can see from the picture before, I just woke up and I checked my weight because as decided I want to check my weekly weight on Saturday, and it's 71.7. From last week I was 72.5. And so I almost lost a kilogram. I think I will see my 65 kilogram very soon rather than wait for an entire year. It's fine, it's okay. So I just left on Sunday, like my resting day, so I've got time to edit my video, to post it, and to reflect a bit how has been this week. So in the meantime I'm gonna finish my smoothie, my very cold smoothie this morning. That's very creamy and fresh, very nice. I'm gonna run, although the weather is not very great, it's cloudy as usual. I'm gonna run, I'm gonna do some exercise at home, and then I will come back to you just to give you like the final feedback. Finally, this first week of my challenge is over. Tomorrow is gonna be Sunday and I left it as a resting day, but that doesn't mean I'm going to eat again everything junky food. This first week actually hasn't been so bad. In terms of food, I've eaten whatever I liked in good portion that made me feel full. And I'm trying to keep maintain between 1500 1600 kilocalories per day, which I don't know if it's good or not. I'm 30 and this week I've been very active. I'm not like this. So maybe it's not enough, I don't know, but to be honest, I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling good. I have to be honest, I had just some trouble sleeping, but that's as usual, because with the kind of job I'm doing as a nurse, I'm doing lots of nights lately, so it's very tricky. The exercises, I did what I could. I do understand people can't train properly in a small room, and especially here in London the weather hasn't been so great this week. Otherwise I would have gone in the park to do some workout. I'll see you next week, guys, for the week number 2 of my challenge. Please don't forget to put a thumb up to support my channel and to subscribe to stay updated on my weight challenge.